In this video, you'll learn how to add someone to an external Slack channel. This process is straightforward and can enhance collaboration with external partners or clients. Begin by navigating to the Slack application on your device. If you are using a web browser, go to the Slack website and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the main interface of Slack, which includes your workspace and channels. Next, locate the channel section on the left sidebar. Click on it to display a list of all available channels within your workspace. This section is essential as it gives you access to both public and private channels. After that, select the specific channel you wish to add someone to. This action will open the channel's conversation view where you can see all messages and files shared within that channel. Make sure you have the right channel selected, as this is where you will invite new members. Once in the channel, look for the option labeled Invite Teammates. This button is usually found near the top of the channel interface. Clicking this will prompt a new window, a dialog box to appear, allowing you to proceed with inviting new members. You will then see a message indicating that anyone you add will have access to all of the channel's content. This is an important consideration as it ensures that the new member can view past messages and files shared in the channel. Following that, a message will confirm that new members will be able to see the channel's history. If you prefer, you also have the option to create a new channel instead of adding to the existing one. This flexibility allows you to tailor your collaboration needs. Click on the Continue button to move forward with the invitation process. This action will lead you to the next step, confirming your intent to add someone to the channel. Next, you will find the option labeled Add People To. Click on this to start the process of entering the details of the person you wish to invite. You will then be prompted to enter a name or email, type in the name or email address of the individual you want to add. This step is crucial as it determines who will receive the invitation. Finally, click on the Done button to finalize the invitation process. Once completed, the new member will receive an invitation to join the channel, allowing them to access all shared content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.